Welcome. In this video, we will learn about the fifth house. Fifth house denotes children, intellect, intelligence, discretion, talent, mind, morals, good behavior, sobriety, good deeds in the past lives, meditation, spiritual practice, religious ceremonies, pregnancy, mechanical arts, clothes, great actions, foresight, liaison, secrets, profundity, decorum, journalism, friends, social life, sports, literary work, stomach, heart, religion, wisdom, satisfaction, initiation, power of discrimination, position and fame. It is a house of creativity, love, physical attraction between opposite sexes, and licentiousness, Cartesian pleasures, and risk of gambling and speculation. Creative Creativity represents the work of creative artists. Fifth house also means progeny, father, mental ability, learning, knowledge, scholarship, character, conception, prosperity, acquisitions through wife, fascination for women, sharp wisdom, discrimination and analytical skill, capability, devotion to gods, means of earning, official seal, good or bad memory, speculation, humiliation, authorship, srushti, smriti, shruti, smriti, knowledge of mantras, karmas of past lives. In medical astrology, it represents heart, upper abdomen, liver, gallbladder, mind, mental illness, problems related to pregnancy. The Karakatva for the fifth house is given to Jupiter. Jupiter signifies the pregnancy or the progeny of a person. So in the natural horoscope, Leo is ruled. Leo rules the fifth house. Leo is ruled by Sun, and the Karakatva for the children or the fifth house is given to Jupiter. So combining all these factors, we can say that to predict the progeny of the person, we have to check the strength of the fifth house. Also, it also indicates various other factors. Now we will see what Uttar Kalamrita says. From the fifth house, one has to examine the following: children, virtuous deeds of the father, king, minister or minister of a king or ruler, good characters, culture, mind, education, pregnancy, discretion, umbrella, listening to or spreading good stories, auspicious documents or parchments, clothes, employing great prayogas or mantras for achieving very desired ends, paternal property, foresightedness, wealth and prosperity acquired through the wife or her relatives, affair with courtesians or loose women, profundity, seriousness, firmness, secrets, humility, good reporting of news, welfare, friendship, composition of kavyas and prabandhas, minor epic narratives, undertaking some good work, stomach, mantra, upasana or worship with penance, splendor which is graceful and pleasing, distributing food, discrimination between virtue and vice, performing the japa of mantras, wisdom, deep thought, means of earning money, having the instrumental music of mridanga and like that gives delight, scholarship in literature, acquisition of the hereditary post of a minister. So after reading out all the Karakatvas of the fifth house, we understand that fifth house signifies progeny, also pregnancy, and it also signifies the power of intelligence and herewith power of deep thinking, and it is also indicating of the Purva Punya. It is foresightedness of the native. It is also the love and the affairs of the native. It also indicates speculation, intuition, mind, and secrecy. It is all mental ability and the ability of the mind or the intelligence, we can say. And also, it indicates uh, liver, abdomen, and upper abdomen part. So, it indicates stomach. So we have to understand that um, the reason for all the um, diseases in our human body is stomach. And if you relate it with the things that we have learned here, like intelligence or the mind, so let's say if we keep grudge or if we have anger, it relates its effects on our stomach. That leads to hypertension or heart troubles, or it leads to damage of the liver or the kidneys. So we have to keep all these things in mind and relate with what fifth house indicates. Fifth house indicates stomach as well as intelligence. So eating good food leads to good stomach. Having good thoughts leads to fertile intelligence, fertile imagination. That leads to good progeny. This is how fifth house has to be analyzed. And to analyze the progeny and the other matters, we have to analyze the strength of the Jupiter as well. Thank you.